Last year, my wife and I dropped what we were doing and we hit the road traveling over 7,000 miles through the deserts of the Mojave, over the Sierra Nevada mountains, along the coast, and all the way to the Pacific Northwest. We crossed off a lot on our bucket list. It was the trip of a lifetime, and it made memories we will have forever, and it gave us a perspective of the world that we didn't have before. Since then, I've received a lot of incredible feedback from people about the adventures I've been on, and it's been really encouraging me to keep doing what I'm doing. However, I also get a lot of feedback from people who see what I do and tell me how cool it is that I get to travel and how they wish they could get out but can't for some reason, like they don't have as nice gear as me, or that the places they want to see are too far away, or that traveling is just too expensive. And this really couldn't be further from the truth. It's understandable that there are circumstances that might keep you from traveling. Maybe it's that demanding job you're putting in the hours for, maybe it's because you don't think there's anything interesting near you, or maybe there's just a general lack of freedom to move where you live. But aside from that, there's an overall toxic idea going around that you have to travel to some faraway destination or have the greatest and best gear in order to have that grand travel experience, and this simply isn't true. A lot of these ideas stem from social media, where travel influencers appear to have perfect and easy lives going from one place to another, and this can set the standards pretty high for what it means to travel. You probably can't go to the places they go, and you probably don't have the gear that they do, and it can create this illusion that their lives are just an unobtainable fairy tale. And then the idea begins to form that if you want to travel, maybe you should just keep dreaming. But the truth is, it takes more effort to try and do something than to do nothing. And with the busy lives we all have, it can seem hard or impossible to stop and take time to try something new. It's easy to make excuses not to travel, but if you choose to always dream and never act, you'll never get out there and find those beautiful hidden gems. And oftentimes, you don't have to look too far. It might seem like where you live is boring and uninteresting, but it only seems that way at first glance because you look at it every day without actually seeing it. Driving down the highway on your way to work isn't the same as visiting local parks or off-road trails in your area. But to somebody else, where you live might be totally unlike anything they've ever seen before. You don't have to travel halfway around the world to an exotic location, and you certainly don't have to have the latest and best gear to make a great life experience. While you might not be able to travel across the globe, your next big adventure just might be in your own backyard. So, get out there and explore. Go down that road or that trail you've always wondered where it leads. You never know what you might find.